Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Photo Lock and granting photos permission so the app can manage your images. Create a 4-6-digit PIN or enable fingerprint/face ID. This secures access and speeds future use. Once done, tap Add or Import, then batch select the albums or specific photos you want hidden because grouping saves time. Make sure to choose Move to Secure Vault rather than Copy. That removes duplicates from the main gallery and prevents accidental exposure. Next, configure the vault. Set an auto-lock timeout such as 30 seconds or 1 minute so the app locks if idle, because that prevents casual access. Then enable optional decoy mode or break-in alerts. Decoy gives a safe vault and alerts log failed attempts, which deters snooping. Once done, decide whether to toggle cloud backup. If you enable it, the app encrypts and syncs your vault, ensuring you don't lose photos if you change devices. To finish, manage items by using Export or Restore when you want photos back in the main gallery. Choose Export Original for full resolution. Make sure to check vault integrity and backup status regularly. Consistent backups avoid permanent loss. If you get locked out, use the recovery email or biometric fallback to reset your PIN. If those fail, contact app support with your account details. One quick tip: before deleting originals, confirm exports restored correctly, because that prevents accidental permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.